Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Rover stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 5. I have already made 29 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 6th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 chains. So far that's 3 double crochet made. We're going to get into our sequence from here, make 3 chains. Then make 1 double crochet into the next chain. Then you're going to skip 2 chains and then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So we're skipping these 2 right here. This is where we're starting our first double crochet. Second and third. So then our sequence would start repeating from this chain 3 here. You could see we have those 3 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet here, skip 2, and then there's these 3 double crochet again, just like these right here. So you'll make 3 chains, 1 double crochet into the next chain, skip 2 chains, then into each of these next 3 you're going to make a double crochet into each. Then it starts all over, make 3 chains, 1 double crochet into the next chain, skip 2 chains, make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Make 3 chains, 1 double crochet into the next chain. When you get to the end of your row and you only have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain, then into this last chain, make 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. For this row, you're only going to be working into chain spaces until we reach the very end. So you don't need to worry about stitches, only these chain spaces. So to start our sequence off, you're going to skip to the next chain space, which is right here. You're going to work 3 double crochet into that space. Make 3 chains, and then make 1 double crochet into that same space all together. And that is going to be our sequence. 3 double crochet, chain 3, and then 1 double crochet all into the same chain space together. So you're going to skip to the next chain space all the way over here, make that same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 3, then 1 double crochet all into the same space together. Skip to the next chain space, same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 3, then 1 double crochet all into that same space together. You can see how everything is looking so far. Now to continue with our sequence, skip over to this next chain space, work 3 double crochet, chain 3, then 1 double crochet into this same space together. Now once you get to the end of this row, you're going to have 3 stitches and some chains left. You're going to skip over these 3 stitches. These chains over here count as a double crochet, so into the top of these last chains, you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the Rover stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.